I'm Bob Kalicki from Larsen Manufacturing. I'm the CFO. Larsen Manufacturing has been in business for nearly 20 years. We've been using JobBOSS for all that time. We have 4 different business units under one roof. Each one of them uses the schedule and the material planning in a different manner. So I think without that flexibility, we would have a harder time maintaining what we need to do. With JobBOSS, we're able to see the order from the second it gets put into the system through the sales order and then the creation of jobs that then get scheduled and populate the schedules for all the different work centers and business units that we have. We operate at about 75 to 80% of our capacity at any given time. So we don't have time to waste, we don't have time to run product that's not due for 3 or 4 more weeks. We need to run product that's due in the next week to 10 days so we can be just ahead of the customer curve and still minimize our finished goods and other inventory as much as possible. Without the tightness and accuracy that JobBOSS brings to us, we would have a series of spreadsheets, handwritten notes, post-it notes, and chaotic people running around yelling at each other and using phones out of both ears. Without JobBOSS scheduling and material planning, we would have to add additional people. I think we'd have to have an extra warehouse just for the materials to make sure we didn't run out. I would definitely recommend JobBOSS to other manufacturers. We scaled up from 7 people up to 250. Any contract manufacturer that's in that space should certainly take a look at JobBOSS.